Hey, hey, hey. Hey, man, we got a club car here. I want to show you, man, I found a new charger that's kind of a maintainer and a charger in one, which I think's good to have. And they're based in Minnesota. And what it is, man, I'm going to show you this here. They offer all types, man. Universal lithium chargers, club car chargers, and the name of it is Form Charge. All right. It's like I said, it's a battery maintainer, everything in one. But they have any kind of charger that you need. Club car, EZGO, lithiums. And you can see here, you got your little booklet with it. The owner's manual tells you how to operate it. Comes in a little neat box, it's pretty good. And on this one here, if you put it on the club car with the 48 volt, if you have an onboard computer on your car, you have to bypass it. You can watch my other videos on how to bypass it. All you would do is take the wires off the back of your charging port and just hook them up. But all you want to do is you got your box here, nice little box, insulated good, got some padding, has some padding on it. A good little box, man, packed good. And one thing I like about it too, man, is it has the wall anchors. If you want to hang it in the sheetrock out in your shed or whatever, you can put this on there, which I think is pretty cool. Then you have your little bracket you can mount on your wall and hang the charger there. If you look at it there, it says 48 volts, 15 amp. All right, you're gonna give me a drop cord. Smart charger, so it senses how much voltage you need, how many amps you need. You can see solid green, flashing yellow, flashing red, standby. All right. Of course, red is going to be below 20%. Flashing yellow is below half. Solid green is solid. Solid green means it's full charge. Got a fan on the top, so make sure you keep it open where you can't, so we can breathe. And what we're going to do is plug it into the wall. Standard 110 plug. You can see on the back it says, ensure the charger matches a battery pack in use. AC and DC voltage correct. And it is 110, 9 amp, rated output current 15 amp, which will fit any GFI breaker or any breaker in your house. And voltage 48 volt DC. So what we're going to do now, and you can see now with it not plugged into the wall, it gives you a red, green flash. So what I'm going to do is plug it into the car. Simple, slides in smooth. Tight fit so it's snug, so it don't get hot. And you can see there, fan come on, and you can see it flashing red, so that means it's below 20%. Now you heard it beep 3 times, that just means it's charging. The new club cars are built to let you know the car actually comes on and charge. Now, if you plug it into the wall first and you see no lights come on here, then you know you got your GFI breaker tripped, or your breakers tripped. But you can see, man, it's a fast charger, smooth, quiet. And then one thing I like about it is you leave it plugged in and it will come back on by itself and maintain your batteries. So trust me, man, if you want you a great charger, not a paid sponsorship, man, I just tell y'all the stuff I think is better for everybody else. Go get you a Form Charge. You can go to formcharge.com. I can put a link below, but you do go to Form Charge, get you one of these chargers, man. They're American made and they're not too expensive. I think they're around 200 and something bucks, which is pretty cheap. And you get a warranty with it. Let's see what it says here.
And just watch your hands.
Yep, and it gives you everything that comes with it. Yep. And just make sure you can't put your hands in there, which is good because that's safety there. You can't put your hands in there. But all right, man, stay tuned, man. I got another one I'm going to show you, man. I got the EZGO. No, actually, I had the lithium charger next, universal lithium. If you want a lithium charger, or if you just want a new charger for your car, or if you just want in the winter time when your car dies all the time and you're tired of jumping it off every spring because the batteries are dead, all you got to do is get you a Form Charge, 48 or 36, whichever yours is. Make sure you order the right one per voltage according to your golf cart, and plug it in all winter. Check your water about once every 2 or 3 months. Come back in the springtime, bam, you're out driving again, man. Thanks for watching the channel. Always remember one thing, Hey, let me hear some comments below, man, if you use this charger or what type of charger you use, man. Stay tuned, man.